Training English Springer Spaniels for agricultural pest management. How are English Springer Spaniels trained for agricultural pest management? English Springer Spaniels are highly intelligent and energetic dogs that have been trained for various tasks throughout history. One of these tasks is agricultural pest management. These dogs are known for their ability to flush out pests such as rabbits, squirrels, and rats, and can be a valuable asset to farmers and other agricultural workers. Training English Springer Spaniels for agricultural pest management starts at a young age. It is important to start training them when they are puppies so that they can develop the necessary skills and behaviors. The first step in training is to establish a strong bond between the dog and the trainer. This can be done through positive reinforcement techniques such as treats and praise. Once the bond is established, the training can begin. The next step in training is to teach the dog basic commands such as sit, stay, and come. These commands are important for controlling the dog and ensuring its safety in the field. They are also essential for effective pest management. The dog needs to be able to respond to its handler's commands quickly and accurately. After the basic commands are mastered, the dog can start learning specific behaviors that are important for agricultural pest management. One such behavior is the ability to scent and locate pests. English Springer Spaniels have an excellent sense of smell, and this skill can be honed through training. The dog can be taught to associate specific scents with pests and then trained to track and locate them in the field. Another important behavior is flushing out pests. English Springer Spaniels have a natural instinct to flush out small game, and this can be channeled for agricultural purposes. The dog can be trained to search for pests in dense vegetation and flush them out into the open, making it easier for farmers to control them. In addition to scenting and flushing, English Springer Spaniels can also be trained to retrieve pests. This can be useful in situations where the pests need to be removed from the field or disposed of. The dog can be trained to retrieve the pests in a gentle manner without harming them. Training English Springer Spaniels for agricultural pest management also involves exposing them to different environments and situations. The dog needs to be comfortable working in various weather conditions and terrain types. It should be exposed to different types of pests and taught how to react to each one. This exposure helps the dog to develop confidence and adaptability, which are important traits for effective pest management. It is important to note that training English Springer Spaniels for agricultural pest management is not a one-time process. It is an ongoing process that requires consistency, patience, and dedication. Dogs need regular practice and reinforcement to maintain their skills and behaviors. Regular training sessions and field work are essential for keeping the dog sharp and effective in pest management tasks. In conclusion, English Springer Spaniels are highly trainable dogs that can be trained for agricultural pest management. With the right training and exposure, these dogs can become valuable assets in controlling pests in agricultural settings. Their natural instincts, intelligence, and versatility make them well suited for this task. Training English Springer Spaniels for agricultural pest management requires time, effort, and commitment, but the results can be highly rewarding for the farmers and the dogs alike.